Uriah Nazaro here with the NWA Trailblazers Trail Update. Mercy Health and the NWA Trailblazers have partnered up to bring you a new trail system located directly between the Razorback Greenway and Mercy Hospital. Simply a minute or two off of Highway I-49, trail users will find adequate paved parking lot with restrooms, vending machine, water fountain, bike repair stand, and even a dedicated hammock area. This is the Oz Network's first white circle, strider-friendly soft surface trail loop. And being in the eyesight of the hammock station, parents can simply bring a hammock and watch their little ones do endless loops. This trail system is perfect for the individuals that are wanting to try soft surface trail riding or running for the first time. If you simply want to get away to a green space in the middle of the urban jungle, the Mercy Trail System can easily accommodate those that are wanting to get in a quick lap or two. With the trail system being at Mercy Hospital, riders can feel a little bit safer knowing that they're in a close proximity to healthcare professionals. And individuals that may be staying or checking up on loved ones at the hospital now have green space to go and simply get out, go for a walk or a hike, or even bring their bike. Healthcare professionals can simply bring their bikes to work with them and ride these trails on their break. This opens up a whole new realm for individuals getting able to get out and enjoy the natural state of Arkansas and the trails that we have, even in the more urban environments. So if you're new to town or new to riding, or simply have some visitors that you're unsure of their skill level, this is a great place to take these individuals and let them try out the trails for the first time.